Do you know exactly what happens inside your brain on day 1, day 7, day 14, and day 30 of eating one banana every morning? Because the changes happening at the chemical level are something most people will never discover. Let's change that right now. Your brain runs on chemicals. Serotonin makes you calm. Dopamine makes you motivated. Magnesium keeps you steady. And when those chemicals drop, you feel it. The irritability, the emptiness, the 3 a.m. sadness you cannot explain. What if one fruit could start rebuilding all three, starting on day 1? The moment you eat banana, your brain receives tryptophan, a compound it cannot produce on its own. Within 30 minutes, your brain begins converting it directly into serotonin, your emotional stability chemical. Day 1. One banana. Your brain just received something it has been quietly begging for. By day 3, your cortisol, your stress hormone, begins dropping. By day 7, something shifts that is hard to name but impossible to ignore. The edge softens. The random irritability fades. The tension you carry in your shoulders without realizing it starts to release. You are not suddenly happy, but for the first time in a long time, you are not fighting yourself either. Bananas are packed with vitamin B6. And B6 is the direct raw material your brain needs to manufacture dopamine, your motivation and reward chemical. By day 14, you notice something small but significant. You are finishing things, tasks you used to abandon halfway, goals you kept postponing. Your brain's reward system is quietly coming back online. By day 20, your sleep changes. Bananas contain magnesium, a mineral that signals your nervous system to power down, to stop firing, to finally rest. You are not just sleeping longer. You are sleeping deeper and waking up without that familiar heaviness sitting on your chest before the day has even started. Here is what nobody tells you. The reason most people feel chronically low, emotionally flat, and permanently exhausted is not weakness. It is not laziness. It is not who you are. It is deficiency. Your brain has been trying to produce happiness chemicals without the raw materials to make them. One banana does not cure depression, but it hands your brain exactly what it needs to start rebuilding itself from the inside out. By day 30, people report something they struggle to put into words. Not happiness exactly. Something quieter than that. Steadiness. Emotional consistency. Waking up and feeling like themselves again for the first time in longer than they can remember. Not because of magic, because of chemistry. Because they finally gave their brain what it was asking for all along. Comment banana below if you are starting tomorrow, and come back in 30 days to tell me what changed, because day 7 is going to surprise you.